Hey guys, in this quick video I'm going to review the Anno Pax Romana, what you can actually expect. This is like Roman era city builder and logistics strategy game. So you can have like provinces, Latium, Albion, manage cities, product change and trade, like the whole thing. So you have also campaign there and heavy focus on visuals and atmosphere, but there are like cons that you have to be aware of. So strong visual presentation, that's great. New building systems that you can actually expect, quality of life upgrades, also land combat added, research tree, strong atmosphere, and classic Anno gameplay loop. But these are the big cons. The first thing is the AI generated assets. Okay, so backgrounds, loading screen, and some voice lines are AI generated. Artistic inconsistency, distorted details, and poor quality in several scenes. Also, many cons are this unacceptable. Also, like when I read when it's like full price AAA game and they like use the kind of like the AI thing there. Also, campaign feels unfinished. Campaign abruptly ends mid-story. No act 3 or final playoff. Also, frequency decent for multiplayer. Performance issues. This was also reported for even for high-end hardware. And UI and UX regression. So, like it feels like unintuitive. So, also the city building frustrations, diagonal system conflicts with grid logic. Missing basic features, no tree regrowth for lumberjack, coal burners, honors research. And these are like primarily things that you have to be aware of. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Hope this video gave you value and have a great day and goodbye.